Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Got my son Andy here. Picked up this rotor tiller yesterday. Guy got him, bought a pallet of them or whatever. He had like, what, 17 of them? He got them for $100 a piece. I paid 4, so he made his profit. But brand new rotor tiller for $400. It was like $750 rotor tiller. So let's get this set up and we'll put it all together here. Well, there you have it, folks. Got her all together. Works pretty good. Yeah, it works pretty good. Yeah. So if you guys like this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.